Hey there, it is Yellowstone Live-ish, day 3. We're getting a later start today because we're actually going to go in and we're going to explore West Yellowstone, the little town that's out here, because the girls want some t-shirts and we want to kind of just check it out. We know it's really touristy, but we're curious about those things, but we don't fall into any of the tourist traps. Then when we're done there, we're just going to do a short drive into the park. You want to go? Okay. Ugh. After we're done in West Yellowstone, we're going to do a short drive into the park because we've had a lot of truck time the last 3 days between, moving here from Boise, Idaho, and then 2 long drive days through the park. So we're just going to do a short jump down to Grand Prismatic, and I think that's it. We're just going to go check that out, and then we're going to come back out and just try to, only spend 2 hours in the truck instead of, 5 or 6. So off we go. So it looks like Vector wanted to do a little bit of sunbathing before we left. He's very happy right now. Go.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Good boy. All right, are you gonna stay here? Take a long nap? Okay. All right, let's go shopping, get some Yellowstone gear.
Alrighty, just made it down into West Yellowstone. We got a parking spot right here on the street. We're gonna kind of wander in these shops, check them out, maybe get a t-shirt or two, and then carry on into the park to Grand Prismatic. So it's as touristy as you expect so far.
Yep.
No good shirt deals found yet. A lot of cool looking shirts though, but some overpriced, and a lot of them are like
very off center.
Yeah, like way off center. It's probably because they're rolling off hundreds of them and just selling them for, 10, 20 bucks. But so now we're gonna head back over to the other side of the street and work our way back towards the truck. Aaron caught sight of a bakery.
I love a bakery.
Do you want a cookie?
We got 4 different types of cookies, and we have a chocolate lavender croissant.
There's quite a line to get into the Grand Prismatic Spring parking lot. We probably should have parked up on the street and walked in like these people over here are.
Yeah,
but
you gotta go way over there. That's a lot of walking.
It's a long walk. So hopefully there's enough people coming out to support the number of people coming in.
Let's see.
We'll find out. All right, we had to wait a long time for parking, but we're the second spot from the front, so that's not too bad. It's a busy place, but I can see why. It's pretty neat. We're not even up to the top yet. Well, Grand Prismatic Spring was awesome, but we ended up back down at Old Faithful because we need to find some food and drink and restrooms, and this was really the closest thing. So we're gonna head in and check the schedule on the geyser and fuel ourselves up and then get back out there. Be a lot of snow. So remember at Grand Prismatic, it was like red and orange, and then as you got into the center, it'd be blue. It's telling you the temperatures have these different colors. So even 109 is like a super hot tub.
How hot is the blue?
This. Mommy, we found some weapons.
Okay, that's day 3 of Yellowstone Live-ish. We got a little bit of a late start, so we didn't go too far into the park, but it's been an absolutely gorgeous day for the weather. Kids, not so much.
Yeah.
It's been a little rough, but we've been going nonstop for a couple days now. I guess since we got to Boise, we haven't really had like a down day where we've done nothing. So we're gonna need one of those soon. But we have one more day of Yellowstone Live-ish, and then we head up into Montana.
Yeah.
So
don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you tomorrow.
Bye.